the future engineer building bridges and innovations. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. He loved to build things and solve problems. His dream was to become an engineer and create amazing structures like bridges and buildings. Every day, Sam played with his toy blocks and built tall towers and bridges. His parents saw his passion and encouraged him to learn more about engineering. As Sam grew up, he studied engineering in college. He learned about different types of bridges and how they were made. Sam's favorite bridge was a big one that went over a deep valley. One day, Sam got a job at a construction company. He worked with the team to build a new bridge in their town. Sam was so happy to see his dream coming true. Every day, Sam and his team worked hard to build the bridge. They used their engineering knowledge to make it strong and safe. Sam paid attention to every detail. Finally, the bridge was finished. Sam was proud to see people and cars crossing it. The bridge connected different places and made life easier for everyone. Sam became a successful engineer. He designed buildings that helped save energy and protect the environment. Sam's work made the world a better place. And so, Sam's dream of becoming an engineer came true. He showed children the importance of following their dreams and using their skills to make a difference. The end.